Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first closet clean out of 2022. I actually have a lot of stuff I needed to get rid of, so I'm really happy that I got rid of all of this in the video. So I went through all of my jeans, my skirts, shorts, tops, a lot of stuff. I got rid of a lot. So if you want to see everything that I got rid of, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't know what to film today. So we're gonna clean my closet. We're gonna clean, oh my gosh. Okay. We are going to clean, well, I'm gonna be getting rid of clothes that I no longer wear or that I haven't worn in a long time. I cleaned out my jean drawer yesterday and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I'm getting rid of. First thing is these pants because they no longer fit me. So we're gonna get rid of these. I have these pants. These are so cute and they don't fit me. But you know what I noticed? Look, they have a little hole right there and I never saw that. That is so sad. And we have these ones. Don't fit. So we get rid of these. These don't fit either. So yeah. I bought some new pairs of jeans that look like this though, so it's fine. I'm gonna get rid of these ones. These ones still fit, but I just don't like them. I used to wear these all the time. And these aren't jeans, but I'm gonna get rid of them. They're really cute. I just don't like how they look. I don't think this is gonna be a very long closet clean out, but we're gonna go through my actual closet now and get rid of some stuff. I'm gonna go through my closet and see what I'm getting rid of and what I'm keeping. So ignore all this. But here we have all my clothes. I have a lot of sweaters just because this year I went through a sweater phase. I just wanted to wear sweaters every day, like knit sweaters. So I have a lot of those. I'm not going to get rid of those. It's getting really warm where I live, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Because they take up a lot of space because they're like thick sweaters. I don't know. We'll see later. But this will be in time lapse until I find stuff that I don't want. I found 3 things that I think I might get rid of. Sweater. At first I was like, I don't know if I want to get rid of it, but then I didn't wear it at all. Like, why did I not wear this? Especially since I literally had a sweater phase. So I'm gonna get rid of it. It's from Forever 21. This one I always want to get rid of and then I always put it back. And I always want to get rid of it and then I always bring it back. I've never worn it. I've had it for like 2 years and I've never worn it once. So we're gonna get rid of this. I don't know, this just, it's like a Tommy Hilfiger shirt, but I don't, yeah. That's 3 tops. I have so many tank tops. Like so many, like just plain black tank tops. Like look at this. 2 of the exact same tank top. Why? I don't know. I did wear tank tops a lot. I probably will again in summertime. Should I get rid of this? This was when animal print was in trend. And I don't think I'm gonna wear this in the summertime. I think I got this at TJ Maxx. I don't know. Would I wear this? Let me think. I don't think I would. But it's already gonna be summer and I just went through a whole time period where I didn't even wear that once. So it has to go. Done with this side. I'm gonna go to the other side and decide what I'm gonna get rid of. This is the colorful side where I have all the clothes with color and I also have my dresses over here. This clothes is not clothes that I wear, but it's clothes that I don't want to get rid of. So I'm just gonna keep that there. I've never worn this dress. I bought this dress for a wedding. It's really pretty. Hopefully I actually wear this stuff in the summer. much to say about this shirt. This shirt I literally bought because I thought it was funny and I've never worn it. But I'm gonna keep it. I need to wear this at least once. I don't know where it's from. I thrifted it though. Like, I have to wear this. Maybe in summer with shorts. I don't know. This one I'm gonna get rid of. It's too tight. We have this top I don't think I'm gonna wear. I really thought this one was cute, but I've never worn it. Okay, I found one more thing to get rid of. It's this shirt. I got this shirt 4 years ago. I would wear this shirt so often. I haven't worn this shirt in a year, so I think it's time to get rid of it. I'm gonna organize this. It's still gonna be color organized, but it's gonna be long sleeves, short sleeves. It's just gonna be a lot better, so yeah. It kind of goes by the length of the sleeve, so these are long sleeve dresses. These are the only 2 yellow things I own. I actually don't really like the color yellow, so I have this one, and then I have this shirt. I don't really like the color yellow. I do like the color green, as you guys can see, so I have a lot of green. So these are short sleeves, tank tops, and then long sleeves. So that's this side. I'm gonna put this in time lapse because I feel like it's gonna take a while. So this is long sleeves, short sleeves, tank tops, long sleeves, short sleeves. It's just a lot better. Also, I'm going to be getting rid of this top. So it's a cute top. I just don't wear it, so I'm going to get rid of it. I have 2 swim shirts, and I'm going to take them out of my closet because I don't think I'm going to wear them anytime soon. So I'll show you guys them. I can't like show you guys the whole thing because it says the school I went to. I literally only wore this shirt like 2 times. 3 times? I don't know. That's why like I can't wear these shirts when I film videos because it says the school I went to, but also because I don't do swim anymore, so I'm like, you know, why would I wear them? This one's so old. I literally got this one 2 years ago, and I can't show this one either. It has my name on the back too. I used to love this one. It has a person swimming, and it says swimming championships. I'm gonna put these somewhere because I have them in my closet. I'm not gonna wear them anymore. I haven't worn this one in a long time. Wait, let me find my name so I can show you guys. My name, very tiny, but it's on the back. It has everyone's name. I'm gonna put this somewhere because I don't want it in my closet. It's just taking space, and I know I'm not gonna wear it anymore. Same with this one. I don't want to get rid of them, but I know I'm not gonna wear them. So this part is done. I'm gonna go through this drawer now. This is my skirts and shorts. I'm gonna get rid of this skirt. I've never worn it. If I were to wear it, it'd look like this. Then I have this skirt from Zara. I don't like the way it fit on me, so I'm gonna get rid of this too. It's like a long skirt, but then on the side, it's like short. I didn't really like it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. If you're wondering why I didn't get rid of a lot of stuff, last time I cleaned out my closet, I got rid of all of this, and I didn't film it. So technically, I got rid of all the stuff I showed you and this. I like try actually buying stuff that I'm gonna wear. I did a poll for these on my Instagram, which I never do, but I decided to do a poll because I didn't know if I wanted to keep them. At Vanimoto, that's my Instagram if you were wondering. You guys said don't keep this one, don't keep this one. You told me to keep this one, but 60% said keep it, 40% said no, don't keep it, so I didn't keep it. I don't know, I didn't really like that dress that much. Yeah, that is it for this video. The reason why I wanted to do this was because, one, it's like a new year, so I obviously have clothes that I don't wear anymore. I used to buy a lot of clothes that I thought was like kind of cute, and I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna wear it, and then I never did. So I just wanted to get rid of that. Hopefully you guys found this video interesting. I got rid of a lot of stuff. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!